With Open Plus, you can use the library outside of normal opening hours. It's really simple to use and use the library in your time. All you need is to register with us, have a brief induction, and then you're good to go. It's very easy. All you need is your library card and your PIN number to get in the building. There's lots you can do when you're in the library in Open Plus mode, including browsing, borrowing and returning your library books using a self-service kiosk. You can also use the computers in the library to access the internet and other free resources that we offer, such as Ancestry.com, driving theory practice tests and National Theatre Live. You can also use the free Wi-Fi. You can also get your printing and photocopying done. You can read, work and study when you're in the library. You can use it to meet with friends, have book groups. It really is your library in your time.